Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power. Charge the case and both earbuds to at least 50% because low battery disrupts pairing. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and keep the device within 1 meter. Open the Goojodoq case lid to wake the earbuds and check the LED status. If you see a blinking LED, you're ready to proceed. This indicates the earbuds are in pairing mode. Next, move to your device's Bluetooth list to find the earbuds and prepare to connect. You press and hold the case button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks rapidly. This forces pairing mode and makes the earbuds discoverable. Then, on your phone's Bluetooth list, choose the Goojodoq device name exactly as shown. Tapping it starts the handshake. Allow any system prompts for permissions or audio profiles and wait for the connected confirmation. If you plan to use 2 devices, make sure the first connection is stable before enabling multipoint. Otherwise, drop and repair each device in turn. You finish by playing audio and testing the microphone to confirm both earbuds work. Adjust physical fit and volume for clarity. Once satisfied, rename the device in your Bluetooth settings so future connections are instant. If pairing fails or audio drops, perform a reset. Hold the case button for about 15 seconds until LEDs flash, then fully recharge the case and earbuds and attempt pairing again. If problems persist, restart your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.